The Lamborghini Aventador is one of the most legendary supercars ever produced, combining extreme power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology. Since its debut in 2011, it has been an icon in the automotive world, setting new standards for performance and design. The Aventador was built to be more than just a fast car. It was designed to deliver an unparalleled driving experience, making it a dream car for enthusiasts, collectors, and adrenaline seekers. At the heart of the Aventador is its naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, an engineering masterpiece that delivers an unforgettable roar. This engine produces between 700 and 780 horsepower, depending on the variant, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 3 seconds. The power is transmitted through a 7-speed independent shifting rod (ISR) automated manual gearbox, which provides lightning-fast gear changes. Unlike many modern supercars that have transitioned to hybrid or turbocharged engines, the Aventador stays true to the naturally aspirated experience, offering an unfiltered and raw power delivery that makes it stand out. The Aventador's all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction and stability, allowing drivers to push the car to its limits while maintaining control. The vehicle's advanced aerodynamics, including active aerodynamic components such as the adaptive rear wing and large air intakes, optimize airflow for better cooling and increased downforce. This not only enhances the car's stability at high speeds but also contributes to its aggressive and futuristic appearance. A key feature of the Aventador is its lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, which provides incredible strength while keeping the overall weight low. This design enhances rigidity and improves handling, allowing the car to corner with precision and maintain stability under extreme conditions. Lamborghini engineers focused heavily on making the Aventador not just a straight-line speed machine but a well-balanced supercar capable of dominating the track and the streets alike. Step inside the Aventador, and you are welcomed by a cockpit inspired by fighter jets. The cabin is a blend of luxury and performance, featuring premium materials such as Alcantara, fine leather, and carbon fiber trim. The digital instrument cluster adapts based on the selected driving mode, providing vital information in a clear and dynamic way. The center console houses an advanced infotainment system, offering connectivity, navigation, and entertainment options to enhance the driving experience. One of the most iconic details is the flip-up red ignition button cover, reminiscent of a missile launch switch, adding to the car's dramatic feel. Over the years, Lamborghini introduced multiple variants of the Aventador, each bringing improvements in aerodynamics, power, and overall performance. The Aventador LP700-4 was the original model, followed by the Aventador S, which introduced four-wheel steering for improved agility. The Aventador SV Superveloce pushed the performance even further with more horsepower and reduced weight, while the Aventador SVJ Superveloce Hoda took things to another level by setting a Nürburgring lap record for a production car at the time. Finally, the Aventador Ultimate was introduced as the final edition of the model, combining the best features of all previous versions with a powerful 780 horsepower output. Beyond its performance, the Aventador is also a cultural icon. It has been featured in countless movies, music videos, and video games, further cementing its status as a dream car. Celebrities, athletes, and car collectors around the world own Aventadors, making it a symbol of success and exclusivity. Its signature scissor doors, an iconic Lamborghini feature, add to its dramatic presence and make it instantly recognizable. Despite its immense popularity, Lamborghini ended the production of the Aventador in 2022 to make way for its successor, the Lamborghini Revuelto, a hybrid supercar designed to carry the brand into the future. While the Revuelto embraces new technology, the Aventador will always hold a special place in automotive history as one of the last great naturally aspirated V12 supercars. Its raw power, aggressive design, and thrilling driving dynamics ensure that it will be remembered as a true masterpiece of engineering. Even though the Aventador is no longer in production, its legacy lives on. It continues to be a sought-after collectible, with limited editions and special models appreciating in value over time. Enthusiasts still celebrate its exhilarating performance, breathtaking design, and the unique driving experience that only a Lamborghini can offer. The Aventador represents more than just speed, it embodies passion, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of perfection.